Yes, how are you members? Yeah, I'm by name Zavoyet Isaac once again. Yeah, today we shall be learning about how to use Microsoft Excel. Yeah, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Yeah, so this is our document. This is how it looks like once you open it. So this right here is our formula bar here. And then here is our name box. Yeah, then these are columns. Columns are labeled in alphabetical order: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and so on. Then rows are labeled in form of numbers, starting from 1 and going over to the highest. Yeah, so right in between the column, and a row, there is what we call a cell. This here is a cell. So a cell is an intersection of a column and a row. So today we are going to talk about learning how to create report cards, map sheets. So we are going to enter in names, subjects, grades, comments, and probably see how report cards are generated at school. That's what we are going to do. So without wasting any more time, we are going to type. So as you can see here, we have typed the names of the students, put them in, then put down the marks, and of course there has to be a grading for it. Then biology, then a grading for it, then chemistry, then a grade for it, and physics, then a grade for it. Then we shall total up, and then give the average, then the position, and then comment. So what we're going to do, we are going to first calculate the total marks, which will be sum equals sum from B to up to there. Close the brackets, then you enter. So as you can see, we've entered in the formula. So we're going to put that right there at that corner and then drag so that it gives us the answer for all of them. That is it. So after this, we're going to get what we call the average, which will equal to that. Which of course, so we are going to enter the average, which will equal to average in brackets goes from this to there. Of course, press enter, and that is it. Then we shall have to drag this downwards so it gives us the answers. Then we're going to rank them. We're going to give them positions. So for ranking, we're going to put, let's say, equals rank open brackets, open brackets, we're going to use J2, comma, and then you highlight, so we are going to highlight. So that's the formula for finding rank, but we are going to have to put dollar signs in between them. So sorry about that. So this is our formula, and this is how we insert in the dollar signs. Equals rank J2, comma, dollar sign J, dollar sign 2, then this sign in the middle, then dollar sign J, then dollar sign 10, and then you close the brackets. Then we're going to come here, select it, and we're going to drag so it gives us the answer to all of them. And well, that is it. So what we are going to do here, we are going to comment. So while commenting, we're going to come and select this box, that cell right there. Sorry, it's a cell. We're going to say equals, then we're going to say if, open the brackets, if. So we're going to say if, so we're going to base on the average. So we're going to say if K2, if K2 is less or equal to, I'm sorry about that, or equal to, let's say, an average of 30. If it's less or equal to an average of 30, then you put a comma, you put those close. Shall advise them to repeat. And you close the bracket. Then you say comma, if, open brackets, K2 is greater or equal to say, let us say greater or equal to 31, to 31, comma, sorry, it's a comma, you can close, promoted. Then you close. Then you put the same number of brackets, because here there are 2, you put 2 to close. 1, 2. Then you click and after clicking enter, this is what appears up here. So we drag so that it gives us the answer throughout. So I guess I hope you can see one person is going to have to repeat, because he or she is below the average. So what we are going to do now, we are going to talk about the grade. So we are going to grade. So we are going to say if open brackets, if b, we're going to come back here, if let's say b2 is less than 20, comma, that's an F9. You say that's an F9, right? Then that, comma, and I'm going to say if alright, if then open brackets, but then there looks like there is something that we missed. So as I was saying, we're going to read. So we're going to say equal sign if, and you open brackets, if b2 is less than 20, comma, we give them an F9. Open close, F9, and you give them F9, and you close the close, and then comma, if you open brackets, if b2 is less than 30, comma, and give them pass 8, that's a P8, and you close, and you put a comma at the end, and you say if, open brackets, b2 is less, if b2 is less than 40, comma, we give them the pass 7, that's a P7, and comma, we say if, open brackets, b2 is less than 50, we give them a grade 6, that's a C6. We give them a C6, then comma, if, open bracket, if so if b2 is less than 60, comma, that's a C5, that's a grade 5, so we will give it C5, then comma, if, open brackets, if b2 is less then 70, we're gonna give it a C4. That's a critical. Then comma, if, open brackets, B2 is less than 80, comma, we're going to give that, I think it's C3, yeah, C3, that's a good 3. Sorry, we almost got this close, so give it C3, and close it, and comma, if, in your open brackets, if B2 is less than 90, comma, that's going to be editor, obviously, edit, shift that, and comma, that was D1. That's it. Then we're going to put the equal number of brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to put 8 of them. So we're going to press enter. So after pressing enter, we get our grade here. So we are going to drag, so it gives us the same answer. And there we have it. So we do the same for biology, chemistry, and physics. So members, that's how it's done. We keep on putting the same formula in for these other subjects, as you can see here. Yeah, keep on putting in the same formula for the rest of it until probably give us the grades. Yeah, that's how the podcasts are generated. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.